Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. At the first step, we need to go to search bar and type here settings. Then from the search results, click here to open it. On this window, select network and internet. Then from here, we need to just scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Once we are here, just select network reset, and from network reset click on reset now. Select S. So you're about to sign out. This will take 5 minutes. Before that, we will restart your system. Before restarting our system, just go to search bar, then type in device manager. Click here to open it. Then from the network adapters, just expand this, and simply we need to find out our network drivers. Right click on them, select properties, go to advanced tab. You can click on drivers tab and select update drivers. Now check this one. So the best drivers are installed now, and close this window. Then simply go to search bar and open settings. On this window, just scroll down from system section and select troubleshoot. Again scroll down and click on other troubleshooters. Now find out the network adapters and you can click on run. This will also try to detect the problems around the issue. Now close it, and now we will restart our system. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved and you are good to go.